Why do you need a Demat and why do you need a trading account? Hello and welcome to BSC's Investor Education Awareness Series. I'm Siddharth Zarabi and today we are going to talk about why you need a Demat and why you need a trading account when you go on the path of trading. The two basic and only things that you need to start trading on the stock market are, number one, a Demat account and a trading account. Every investor or trader who wants to trade in the stock market must have both a Demat as well as a trading account with a stockbroker. Without such accounts, it is impossible to buy or sell shares in the stock market. Doesn't happen. A Demat account holds the shares that you buy. This means that the shares that you have bought are kept in that specific Demat account that is allotted to you, and these are kept in an electronic format. This account can hold all your investments in one place. These could be shares, bonds, mutual funds, government securities, as well as exchange traded funds. On the other hand, a trading account holds the money you need to invest when buying shares. This account also keeps the money that you have made after you have sold any shares. A trading account works as a link between your savings bank account and your Demat account. Now let's turn to how this process actually works. When you first buy shares, you use the money from your trading account. After you have made the purchase, your share gets digitally deposited and stored in that Demat account that you also hold. Now all you need are basic documents such as a PAN card, a Aadhaar card, a passport size photograph, and a cancelled personal check to open your Demat account, and you can pretty much do it within minutes. With your user ID and password that has been given to you by your stockbroker, you can now start investing in the stock market. And I hope that this bit of knowledge will go a long way in getting the best out of your Demat and trading accounts. And as I leave you today, I leave you with yet another piece of expert advice. Take a look in.
It is very, very important to understand that on one side, you dematerialize your shares, make your shares digital. And then when you want to trade, at that point of time, you have to have the broker's account, because a broker will give you an entry into the exchange. He will allow you to trade under your name onto the exchange platform. So this is a very, very important aspect, because when you want to trade, you have to have the security. Security is already digitalized, as I explained earlier. And when you want to do the transaction for buying or selling, you have to go to the exchange platform. So the broker would basically give you the access to the exchange platform. Generally, I believe that as much as possible, your depository account and your brokerage account, if it stays with one entity, one brokerage firm. Most of the brokers today, they offer depository services also, as well as I think the brokerage services. So as long as I think you deal with a broker who offers both these products, then in such situation, your time to trade would be much faster. It would be more efficient. It would be more cost effective, because ultimately you would not end up losing on the margin, as well as I think you would not end up losing on the transaction as well. So which is very important. Depository and brokerage, they are two in one. They work with each other. So I would rather recommend investors that for your safety, your convenience, and your cost of transaction at the lower level, I think you should have a same broker who could basically provide depository services as a back-end services to your requirement for transactions. That makes the life much easier for the investors.